Problems with stomach and digestion is a very common thing, mostly because of our lifestyle and eating habits. So in this video, we will cover 5 things that will easily help you to deal with this issue. It is important to eat more products that contain fiber. For adult person you need about 30 grams of fiber per day, and most of the people does not consume that much. Oatmeals and whole grain products is a good and affordable source of fiber. And here you can see the product that contains large amount of fiber. For example, chia seeds contains 34% of fiber. You also need to avoid food that contains a lot of fat. When speaking about fat food, first that comes in mind is a fried food. This is the food that was made by using a lot of oil. So if you like meat, for example, try to cook it in oven, or even better is to boil it. It's also important to avoid spicy food and food that contains a lot of sugar. Next thing is you need to drink plenty of water. Amount that you need to take is quite individual. In average, I would say it is about 2 liters of water per day for adult. And yes, exactly water, other drinks don't count. Without fluid, the fiber that you absorb cannot do its job, which is actually forming poo, and you might get constipation instead. Also, if it comes to drinks, try to limit yourself on fizzy drinks, caffeine-containing drinks, and of course alcohol. There are also supplements that can help to your digestive system. First, what I can suggest you is to use probiotics. This actually are bacteria that are also found naturally in your gut. There is a lot of different probiotics and probiotic mixes on the market. So you can check for the ones that are specially made for digestive system. Most common probiotics are these ones. When making a choice of buying probiotics, you definitely need to check the amount of probiotic strains and colony-forming units this product has. Basically, from 5 to 7 strain and about 10 billion colony-forming units per 1 capsule is fine. But there are also more premium products that contains 18 strains or 50 billion colony-forming units. You can also ask advice from your doctor or pharmacist, but there is possibility that they will try to sell you the one that is more interesting for them to sell you. On other hand, you can supplement your diet with chicory inulin or psyllium husk powder, which are prebiotic. Prebiotic serves as food for the microbiome, helping the friendly bacteria in your gut to grow and thrive. So basically, prebiotics is a food for probiotic bacteria, which is why you can use them both together to get even better result. Psyllium husk is also good in case if you have constipation, because it has lactative effect. And this one you can use on daily basis. In case if you have diarrhea, it is recommended to use Saccharomyces boulardii probiotic strain. You will need to take from 250 to 500 milligrams per day to get an effect. Also, supplements that contains digestive enzymes are beneficial for your gut health. Digestive enzymes are proteins that help your digestive system break down the food. Your body produces these enzymes in the stomach, but sometimes not in enough quantity. So you can try use supplements that contains multiple enzymes, such as lactase, cellulase, amylase, and protease. Last, but not least, is you need to have a good sleep and to avoid stress. Stress can have both short-term and long-term effect on gastrointestinal tract. Stress can even cause inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, and also other functional gastrointestinal diseases. To reduce stress, you can try breathing exercises or meditation. Also, physical exercises are a great way to relieve stress, and they are also very beneficial for your body. You can also try supplements that contains magnolia berry or valerian root extract. Or even better would be to take 400 milligrams of magnesium per day. You definitely need to choose magnesium combined with vitamin B6 because it enhances the absorption of magnesium. And I suggest you to choose citrate as a source of magnesium. It has high bioavailability and it is gentle for digestive system. Stress is also one of the most common things that causes sleep disorders. And you need to have decent amount of sleep, which is around 8 hours a day. Also, it is super important to go to sleep and wake up same time each day. Best is to do it without taking a pills, but if it is needed, that you can take 1 or 2 milligrams of melatonin 30 minutes before going to sleep. Thank you for watching this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more helpful videos.